Kita cakap kita labu.
Ka athletic meet balai sngi bela penlong da ka office jong ka district sports officer East Khasi Hills kalakut no. Komba sau punyau tuli ki school na East Khasi Hills kila ishim menta ha kane ka Limpung. Na ki sau punyau tuli ki school ki ishim menta ka Army Public School, ka Loreto Convent, ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School, ka Garo Union School, ka H. Elias bat ka St. Mary's kila yo bandra ya ki khusnam chala yeng na ki jingele kai ba pher ha kane ka Limpung.
Sports is something which builds character. It's very, very important. Sometimes in event it's called as extracurricular. But I'm very against this word extracurricular. Sports is very much part of the curriculum. It's as equally important, I would say, as other things which are part of curriculum. So we should not call it extracurricular. It's co-curricular only. So sports, and in fact, we have requested schools to not just focus on this 1 or 2 days. Sometimes I see only 1 week events are organized in an academic year. So we have requested schools to organize it throughout the year.
Mentapat ngenya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sui meneng